Hello everyone, how are you? Greetings from a man whose old age is starting to take its toll. Today we continue with the preparation of the Renault 4 cabin. Oh, whoa! What is this mess? Really? Why is it in this condition? Maybe because it is my car. This is unreasonable. This is not how it should look from the inside. Cleaning and maintenance seats. Keep the seats clean of dust and debris by vacuuming. You can also use seat cover to protect them from dirt and sunlight. Air conditioning system. Clean the air vents with a damp cloth. Use the sterilizing spray and make sure to replace the air conditioner filter regularly to ensure air quality. Improve comfort seats. Choose seats that provide good back support, especially in the lumbar area, and are adjustable for comfort during long drives. Additional features in keep it operates seat heating and cooling system for added comfort in all seasons. I don't like long periods, so this is enough for one day. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye and thank you.